So you'll have seen in the video that we can obviously represent images using ones and zeros, 0 for off, 1 for on. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to try and figure out what this picture is. So you are going to fill in these cells. Any of the whites, zeros, you just leave as blank. You're only going to fill in the ones that have the ones. So click into the cell, and what you're going to need to do is go up to this table section here, and you're going to use shading. Then you're going to pick your color. So there's black there. And you're going to do the same. You can just click the actual button itself. You don't have to pick the color each time. I'm working from this side because there are more ones, so it's easier for me just to do it that way. And I'm going to put one there. And you're going to just continue on shading the cells like this until you get to the end and see what kind of an image you have. In the second section, you're going to create your own image. So again, what you can do is you can think of the kind of picture that you want to do. So, I mean, if I just did something simple like a diamond like this, and you can do whatever you want with it, but sorry. And all you're going to do then is figure out the binary code. So it's going to be 0, 0, 0, and there's a 1 because it's a black one, and then there's 4 zeros. If you're absolutely desperate to do a bigger picture, you can insert columns to the right or insert columns above or below. So if you had a particular picture you wanted to do, but I want to see, can you generate the code for it? Now, then the third picture is representing color picture. So this time, in this one, we used just one bit, a 0 or a 1. In this one, we're going to use 2 different bits to represent each color. And we've got 4 colors this time we can represent with 4 bits. Now, if you want to do this, oh, it's not want to do it all, sorry. If you want to, you can click in between. And for some reason, this is not working at the moment, sorry. Selecting lots of things. You can actually go between and you can space these colors out. And then what you're going to do is you're going to find your cell. Here we go now. So let's split these. Oops, let's split these up into groups of 2 like this because it makes it a little bit easier to see. And you can, it's wider should you wish. Okay, so if I just do this first one for you. So we've got a 0, 0, 0, 0 is white. Then we've got a 0, 1. 0, 1 is green. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to pick green. You can choose any of the ones that you want. This is my one that I always use. We've got another green one. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's just double check on that. And then do the same here. Okay, so again, you're just going to go through, split them all up. So I've got 2 whites and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Obviously, as you get down further, you will have some different colors in here. So here I've got a 10 and a 10. So 10 is red. 10 is red. 11 is purple. Okay, and you've got 3 purples there, so I should have highlighted all of them. Okay, so you just continue through making your picture with that. Now, the one thing to notice is that when you only have one color, to represent the row was only that long. But when you use, for example, 4 different colors in your picture, the code is longer, actually going to be twice as long on there.